look. Check, check. Everyone. So we are officially in the airport in JFK. It's actually a really nice airport. It's like massive, but like easy to get around and like not very busy. So yeah, I don't feel like stressed, which is normally airport moods, especially if I'm in a foreign country. So yeah, this has been really smooth and nice and really easy. Through check-in was really fast, like really smooth. So yeah, we are off to San Francisco. So the plane boards in like 25 minutes, but I think they do it in like zones and we're like right at the back of the plane. So I think we've got a while to wait now, but yeah, we have Shake Shack burgers and it smells amazing. So I'm gonna get eating this. It's flight time. Off we go. She's off there. Ow. Oh, you look depressed. 7-hour flight ahead. And here we are in San Francisco. I'm so tired. I'm like a crazy person. Oh my god. So we have landed in San Francisco. Then we got on like 2 trains and now we are here. Anyway, yeah, there's the bathroom. There's the wardrobe. This is the bed. There's the chair. And yeah, we are absolutely starving. And the place we want to go to eat doesn't open till 4:30. But then there's wine hour downstairs, which is like free wine at 5. So we're like, oh my god, did you actually just get food for yourself and not get my food out? Anyway, so that is the update. I will keep you updated. We don't know what we're doing today. Probably just food and drinks and chilling. So yeah, there we go. I will see you next time I vlog, which will probably be food or maybe some wine. Okay, so that music was so loud, don't you think? We are now in the bar next door to the hotel because they have free wine happy hour. But I also got this cocktail. Ooh, look at me with my cocktail. With flowers in it. And yeah, we're just getting some happy hour food because we're trying to be sensible with money. So there's like chips and stuff for like $6. Chips as in like fries. And yeah, some wings and stuff, and we're going to share it, and we think it's probably going to be cheaper than going somewhere else. So yeah, that is what we're doing right now. Yum. And that is our first day in San Francisco done. We have just been to 7-Eleven for the first time. And look at what we got. So this is my normal sized drink. Well, actually it's quite big. And then this is what Connor felt like he needed. It is ginormous. Like I feel like it doesn't even like justify how huge this is. But yeah, anyway, that is today finished. And yeah, tomorrow is a really fun day. We've got Alcatraz and we've got a few other bits, but Alcatraz is like the main thing. So yeah, that'll be really fun. And yeah, I am going to bed because I am knackered. So good night and I will see you tomorrow. Hello and welcome to day 2 in San Francisco. We are going to Alcatraz today. We have to go to Madame Tussauds and pick up our tickets, and then we have Alcatraz, and then we also have Madame Tussauds and the dungeons. But we are going to go get breakfast first. It's now 9:30 and we need to be in Madame Tussauds in like half an hour, and it's about a half-an-hour walk. So that is where we are going to head off now, and I will film when we are at wherever we're at next, whether that be breakfast or whatever. So yeah, stay tuned for day 2 of San Francisco. So we have come for breakfast in Denny's. We've got Alcatraz at 12:30 and then we've got Madame Tussauds and the Dungeons. So we have come for breakfast. And here we are at Denny's. I've got like the normal breakfast and Connor has got his sandwich, which looks like it's been deep fried in butter. And then we've got coffees. You can see the weight gain, but YOLO, YOLO. Anyway, so I'm gonna eat this now.
Food service is not available on Alcatraz. Alcoholic beverages are not served at the vessel snack bars on the way over to Alcatraz Island. Alcatraz Island only. Some walkways, particularly an area called the Sally Port,
Oh, this just makes me sad. We are back in the San Francisco hotel room. So we went to Madame Tussauds and then the Dungeons, but you weren't allowed to film in the Dungeons. And then we went for food. And I forgot to get my camera out, but basically we went for food in this place called Aria, which was like, not Japanese, Korean tapas, which was really, really nice. However, we got like a platter for 3 to 4 people, thinking because we'd not had lunch that we would be able to eat that much. However, this is what happened. We had to basically bring it all back We didn't finish anything 100%, so yeah, all the food is back here, but it's not really a bad thing. But the food was really nice. It was just like in a bit of a weird area. But anyway, so we are absolutely knackered. However, we have got a haunted San Francisco tour on in like 20 minutes, so we have to get going. It's like a 5-minute walk down the road, and then yeah, I will film whatever I can, but I feel like I'm gonna be a bit scared. It said that anyone who has like a gift will like feel things, and like I haven't got a gift, but like I can definitely feel things when there's things that aren't quite right. So yeah, apparently it's really good but quite scary, so I don't know what it's gonna be like, but yeah, that is basically what we've got planned for tonight. And yeah, I will update you when I actually remember to take my camera.
The architects of the building took their inspiration from some of the most beautiful luxury hotels all around the world. And in 1904, the St. Francis opened as the most opulent our city knows.